Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. I, Pragya Patnaik, along with my teammates Priya Sarkar and Teshuka Shraddha Navaram, we are from St. Xavier's High School, Bharni, Bilaspur, Class 9. Our team name is Algorithm Champions, theme Disaster Management, title Guardian Flow, a smart IoT disaster alert system for unprecedented flood and tsunami preparedness. Under problem statement, develop a small-scale community alert system prototype that uses local resources to warn residents of impending natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, etc. Hi, I am Pragya Patnaik presenting our project Guardian Flow. Why are we choosing this particular area? Addressing to the disaster that may occur naturally like floods and tsunami, which involves widespread human, material, economic or environmental impacts. This proposed system provides interconnected smart modules as a way to enable centralized data acquisition by sensing and communication technologies of Internet of Things (IoT) and wireless sensor networks (WSN) to coordinate disaster management at the national and local levels in coordination with relevant agencies and raise awareness on disaster risks in real time. This system can be controlled and monitored from remote location and delivered real-time notification based on information analysis and processing without human intervention. The data stored can be utilized for prediction of risks in future. Brief explanation of salient features of proposed solution and how is the proposed solution solving the problem statement. Through disaster management, we cannot completely counteract the damage, but it is possible to minimize the risk through early warning. In order to properly manage the catastrophic events, information needs to be collaborated. For example, by sharing resources and data and coordinating actions, decisions and activities. Proposing the flood and tsunami management and early warning detection can be resolved with cloud computing facility. So the progressive appearance of cloud computing, it is also expected that this facility is complemented with the green cloud technology to promote the green environment towards a better living in smart cities. The natural disasters like flood, tsunami, as the occurrence of these disasters is a big loss for human life and property. Natural causes cannot be stopped, but using this technique can alert people before it occurs. In this present prototype, 5 sensors are used. Those are accelerometer, sound sensor, ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor and weather station. DTH11, Internet of Things, based device which is capable of analyzing the sensed information and then transmitting it to the user. Therefore, effort to measure and monitor potential landslide is a present prototype to ensure human safety. The disaster management system prototype using Internet of Things IoT proposed is capable of sensing atmospheric changes and upload the data obtained to the cloud server, i.e. ThingSpeak server. On the occurrence of disastrous events, alerts are given via Gmail and Telegram application using IFTTT. What makes a solution innovative and different? Proposed disaster management system using Internet Things in smart cities with Arduino Uno Node MCU board along with Wi-Fi module collects the data from the various sensors, DTH11 module, touch sensor, sound sensor module, ultrasonic HC SR04 and accelerometer module give input to the module by sensing the atmospheric conditions. The Arduino programming environment facilities the developer to manage, compile, upload and simulate programs in user-friendly environment. A Wi-Fi module ESP8266 is a low-code MCU supports Wi-Fi and HTTP protocol, thus enabling to connect the board to the internet without a gateway solution and merge it into complex device networks made up of smart sensors. The sensed data is stored in cloud. ThingSpeak is an open source Internet of Things IoT application and API to store and retrieve data from things using HTTP protocol over the internet or via local area network. ThingSpeak enables the creation of sensor logging applications. Application area of our solutions such as location, scenario and user profile, where the prototype can be deployed, educational and research institutes, disaster prone areas, government and non-government agencies. What ATL tools technologies have you used in the development? Node MCU, Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi module, accelerometer module, touch sensor, ultrasonic sensor, DHT11, sound sensor and piezoelectric sensor, breadboard, jumper cables, power source. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this presentation to my friend Priya Sarkar.
Thank you, Pragya, for handovering me this presentation. Now I, Priya Sarkar, will continue further. Ground test and application. We can implement inexpensive wireless sensor network components to detect floods and tsunami as per the necessity and send alert to the people residing across the river line or coastal line of a country. The project fits an IoT module in smartphones that is effectively used to alert the people before the disaster occurs in small cities and also sends messages. The new techniques would reduce the chance of losing human lives as well as damage to large-scale infrastructures due to both natural disasters. The both accelerometer and the vibration sensor shows different angles in the coastal bed and sea waves. Ultrasonic and touch sensor will detect the water level in reservoir and forecast the flood situation through alarm. Along with sound sensor highlighting the sound in charge of water flow in river and coastal waves during flood scenario and tsunami. Thank you. For presenting further key job roles, I would like to call Teshuka.
Thank you, Priya, for offering me to address the key job roles. Key job roles and contribution from each team member. Pragya Patnaik, first, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection research and survey on smart disaster management. Third, participation in ideation development of prototype and planning for video shooting, registration and submission of project. Teshuka Shraddha Navrang, first, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection research and survey on smart disaster management, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development. Third, overall contribution and submission. Priya Sarkar, first, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection research and survey on smart disaster management, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development. Third, preparation, correction and finalization of research document in the PowerPoint format. Thank you.